This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by measuring and organizing materials. Use 120 grams of polymer clay divided into color sections. 40g bun, 30g patty, 20g cheese, 15g lettuce, 15g tomato. Work on a clean nonstick surface with a blade, needle tool, roller, toothpick, and oven preheated to 265 degrees F, 130 degrees C. Condition each color by kneading for 3 to 5 minutes until pliable and warm before shaping. Keep scraps in sealed bags to prevent drying. Maintain consistent lighting and use a magnifier for tiny seed details on the bun. Form the bun from 40g into a dome 3, 5 cm high and 5 cm wide, texture with a toothbrush for pores. Shape the patty from 30g into a flattened disc 1 cm thick, add tiny cracks with a needle tool for realism. Layer cheese as a 20g square slit under the bun, lettuce as thin 15g ruffled sheets, tomato as 2 15g slices. Use a roller to feather edges, blend seams with a damp brush, and add sesame seeds from 0.5g white clay with a toothpick. Assemble by stacking components. Bottom bun, patty, cheese, lettuce, tomato, top bun, press gently to bond. Bake the assembled piece in a ceramic dish at 265 degrees F, 130 degrees C, for 15 minutes per 6 mm of thickness. Remove from oven and let cool for 30 minutes before handling. Finish with a gloss varnish on the bun and matte varnish on lettuce after cooling for 30 minutes. For tiny paint details, use diluted brown to age the patty and a 0.5 mm brush to add seed shadows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.